Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL redirect in your Shopify store. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify and I have to click online store, and here I will find an option navigation. Click this option. Here we go. Now at the top you will see an option view URL redirects. Click this, and here you can import URL redirects and you can create a new URL redirect. Click this. Here we go. Now you have two fields, one redirect from and the second is redirect to. Redirect from the original URL that you would like to forward visitors from. Usually this is an old page. The visitor can no longer access because the content was moved to a different URL or delete it. So you will put your URL here and then you will put your new URL where you want to redirect your customers or your audiences from the old one. You will put it here. After filling these two fields, you have to save the job. This is a way to create a URL redirect in Shopify. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.